looking at a GitHub project like this and wondering how do I get this into my VS Code at my PC. So this video is your step-by-step guide to cloning any GitHub repository straight into your VS Code. So before moving forward, I request to check all these three things in your VS Code, that are these available or not. First of all, you have to check the Git version by typing this Git two dashes and Git version. If you see this kind of version of your Git, then it means Git is installed in your PC. And after that, you have to install this VS Code, in which I am opening my terminal. So if you don't have in your PC, then you simply visit the Google Chrome and type here VS Code download, and from there you simply download the VS Code in your PC. And after that, you have to connect your GitHub account with the project in which you want to clone your project, as by clicking at this publish to GitHub. Now, as I have all of these three things which I talked about earlier, and now I moved at my GitHub repository which I want to clone in my PC. So here you have to visit this code command in which my cursor is moving, and here you have to copy the HTTPS code and the SSH command if your repo is private, not public. In my case, my repo is public, so I am copying this HTTPS code, and by creating a new folder here and by opening it with VS Code. When you install in the VS Code in your PC, the correct installation will verify with this option, open with code. So I am opening this just quickly, and it will welcome over, and after that I will open my terminal. Here I will paste like this. Here the PowerShell is selected, so here I will select the Git Bash, as we will copy or use this Git Bash to clone our project. Now you just need to write like this git clone and the link which I have copied from the GitHub repo, like this, the HTTPS code. So by entering this and pressing the enter button, it will clone our project in our PC like this. I have received all of these files which was displaying at the GitHub repo from which I am cloning my project. So now verifying this cloned project by simply moving into the project folder like this, cd gas, just wait a minute, gas word game, the name which is written at the folder of our project. So this was gas word game. So as I enter this, it is saying that no such file. Oh sorry, I have written wrong. I need to write this guess the word game. So now as I have written this, so it is showing in this area. So now I am moving back into my PowerShell. So I am writing the command with which we run our project in our PC or system, npm run dev. So now it is showing the error. It is likely due to npm not installed in this. So by installing this npm, so npm run dev So now it is saying wait is not recognized as our internal or external command, so it is due to the npm error. Now I am installing npm I, so it will update our package.json file in which our systems files are being stored. So npm run dev, now it will work. So it has given the link with which we will simply open the project. Now take a look this, guess the word 74, check number. So it is working in our project. So that's it, you have successfully cloned a project GitHub repository into your VS Code. Want to take the next step, watch how to push your code to GitHub or deploy your project to Netlify. Both are linked below and on screen. So if you want any other tutorial videos, my channel is dedicated to this kind of videos, as you can easily find this kind of videos at my channel. So if you found this video helpful and this tutorial helped you, then like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want any specific video or tutorial according to your problem, then comment me in the comment box. I will create the video related to that topic as soon as possible. So take care of yourself.